Before deep diving on the nitty-gritties of this policy, let me tell you, this policy truly lives up to its name. It's the superstar of insurance policies. So buckle up because this is going to be epic. In this video, we will be talking about all the important details of this policy, the major key highlights, what benefits this policy provides, and in conclusion, what's our take on this policy. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the eligibility criteria. The policy is divided into two categories, floater and individual policy. A floater policy covers an entire family under a single sum insured. The coverage amount is shared among all the insured members. For this option, adults can join from 18 years old with no upper age limit, and the dependent children are covered from 91 days up to 25 years. An individual policy provides coverage specifically for one person. The sum insured is assigned to that person alone. With this option, you can sign up if you are 18 or older, and there's no maximum age limit at all. There are different policy term options available from 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and even 5 years. With this policy, the coverage cap has different options starting from 5 lakh, 7 lakh 50,000, 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh, 25 lakh, 50 lakh, and rupees 1 crore. But wait, here's the game changer. If you need even more peace of mind, there's an option with no cap at all. Yes, you heard that right. Unlimited sum insured, giving you truly limitless protection. So whether it's a single big claim or multiple smaller ones, you won't run into any coverage restrictions. Here are some of the key features that this policy includes. I'll be going through all the features one by one. For more details of these features, you can go through the policy documents as well. Link is in the description below. Now let's talk about something known as cumulative bonus. A great way to get more value out of your policy for every claim-free year. I know, let me simplify it for you. For each year you don't make a claim, you will earn a bonus equal to 50% of your sum insured, and you can accumulate this bonus up to 100% of the sum insured. This plan also has a special feature called Freeze Your Age. This is one of a kind feature which is currently only available in this policy. Let me tell you what it actually means. So, while buying an insurance policy, your premium is calculated based on your age at that time. With the help of this Freeze Your Age option, this premium amount stays the same every year as long as you don't make any claims. However, if you make a claim for inpatient, daycare, or Ayush treatments, things change. After that claim, your premium will be updated to reflect your current age at the next renewal. For instance, if you buy the policy when you are 25, you'll be keep paying the premium for a 25-year-old at each renewal as long as you don't make a claim. But once you do make a claim, your premium will adjust to your actual age at the time of renewal and will continue to do so each year moving forward. This policy has another special benefit, which is unlimited automatic restoration. Here's how it goes. If you use up some or all of your sum insured during the policy year, this benefit automatically refills it up to 100% for any future hospitalization in the same year. So if you have another hospital stay, you will still have coverage. Still a little difficult to understand? Okay, let me make it more simpler for you. Imagine you have a health insurance policy with a sum insured of 10 lakhs. So if you end up in the hospital and use 6 lakhs of your coverage, the automatic restoration benefit kicks in and restores the 6 lakhs you have used. So you're back in having 10 lakhs in coverage for any future hospital visits that year. This means that even if you have already made a big claim, you are still protected for the rest of the year. Just keep in mind that this restored amount can't be carried over to the next policy year, and the maximum you can claim at one time will never exceed your original 10 lakh. Also, this benefit doesn't apply if your policy has an unlimited sum insured option. This policy covers pre-hospitalization expenses for up to 90 days before admission and post-hospitalization expenses for up to 180 days after discharge, covering your medical costs throughout your treatment journey. Let's talk about inpatient hospitalization. Inpatient hospitalization refers to the medical treatment you receive when you are admitted to a hospital for at least 24 hours. This could be for surgeries, serious illness, or other medical conditions that require you to stay in the hospital. Now let's break down what this policy covers. Number 1. Room rent, boarding and nursing expenses. You will be covered for the cost of your hospital room. Yes, there is no cap on room rent, whether it's a regular room or any other type of accommodation, including the nursing care provided by the hospital. Number 2. ICU charges. If you need intensive care, the cost for staying in ICU or intensive care unit are covered. Number 3. Doctor's fees. This includes the fees for surgeons, anesthetists, medical practitioners, consultants and specialists involved in your treatment. Number 4. Medical supplies and treatment. The policy also covers the cost of anesthesia, blood, oxygen, operating theatre charges and other charges as well, which you can check in the policy documents. Also, this policy consists of a standard waiting period of 30 days except for accidents. There are also a lot of optional covers included with this plan. You can see them on the policy document, but let's talk about some main optional covers. First, we'll talk about Superstar Bonus. If you opt for this optional cover, you will receive a bonus of 100% of your annual sum insured at the end of each policy year, even if you'd make a claim. For instance, if your sum insured is 5 lakh, you'll get an additional 5 lakh added to your coverage every year. So for the next year, your coverage would be 10 lakh. This pattern continues into the 3rd and 4th years, with your sum insured increasing every year without any extra cost. Then we have one more cover, which is called Limitless Care. Limitless Care is an optional cover that provides unlimited coverage for one hospitalization claim throughout the policy's lifetime. So when you choose this cover, you will have no cap on the amount covered for that single claim. However, once you make a claim, this cover ends and you can't use it again in your future renewals. This policy also has non-medical items coverage. You're covered for essential items like bandages or medical supplies that you might need during your hospital stay or treatment. Normally, there might be exclusions for these items, but with this coverage, you're all set. There are many other optional covers which you can opt for. Please refer to the documents for more details. With this policy, you get the incredible benefit of unlimited teleconsultations through the Star Health mobile app. Teleconsultation or telemedicine allows you to consult with healthcare professionals from home via video, phone or chat, offering convenient access to medical advice. Whether you need advice from a general medical practitioner, a specialist, a psychologist, or even a dietitian and nutritionist, you can access expert care from anywhere as often as you need. Talking about Star Health mobile app, the app has also been updated with an AI-driven face scan feature. This feature helps you to instantly check your heart rate, oxygen levels, and respiration rate right from your face scan. Now, health checks are as easy as clicking a selfie. Coverage for modern treatment, Ayush treatment is also provided. You can check the policy details for more information on this. In this policy, you get options for both on-road ambulance as well as air ambulance. Now let's talk about home care treatment. Home care treatment lets you receive hospital-level care at home if advised by your doctor. You'll have daily monitoring by a medical professional with a treatment chart maintained. You can get this on cashless or reimbursement basis through our network providers, covering specific conditions up to the sum insured. This policy also comes up with various discounts like CIBIL score discounts, early renewal, and long-term discount. You can check the policy documents for more details. So that's all for this video. In conclusion, we would like to say that this policy is the most customizable and flexible policy designed to adapt to you and your family needs at every stage of life. Also, if you found this video helpful,